shocking because this doesn't happen. Leaks of, drafts of Supreme Court decisions. What's the story behind there? But not surprised because we've been watching. We were here on December 1st listening to oral arguments. We know the makeup of this court. We know we have 5 radically anti-choice Catholic justices on the Supreme Court. So, not surprised, but my hope is that this is a wake-up call for people because I think only 30% of Americans thought there was a possibility Roe could be struck down. Like, we've been doing a lot of polling in the reproductive rights movement, and so I'm hoping this wakes people up to say this is real and this is happening in the United States of America.
I was very shocked. I had received a call from Teresa Bukovic, who's the founder and executive director of POW, while I was on the train from Providence down to here. I'm from Massachusetts, and she called me to say that the first draft for the Dobbs v. Jackson case had been dropped, and that we were going to have to change our pre-planned events and show up to SCOTUS literally as soon as we got off our transportation. And I remember sitting there staring and going, what? Like, I couldn't wrap my head around it. It's an optimistic day that we've been waiting for so long, but it's crazy and obviously precedent breaking that it comes so soon.
There is no way around the fact that we're going to have to build generational bridges. With the candidates who have been in service, leaders like a Barbara Lee who has told her story of getting an abortion, leaders like Cori Bush who have also told her story. We have got to, in my opinion, connect these generations so that the experiences of pre-Roe versus Wade can be made much more clear and tangible to young voters who may not have, who haven't lived a time without Roe versus Wade being the law of the land. There are leaders across this country, women in every community, who can connect those stories and tell those stories in a very personal way. And I think that's really what we need to be able to communicate with young voters. But we got to do it consistently. And that's why Planned Parenthood and NARAL and Emily's List are going to be working together to really do that.